Yeah.
Yeah, nigga, whatever. Yeah, bitch, yeah, whatever.
Hold up.
Yeah, I am. I never let my niggas down. Nah, I never put them choppers down. Hit your bitch when I come in town. She ain't never let a nigga down.
She know I got it, she wanna come fuck with the city. She pull up and blow me down. Get at me, I smack anybody. In features and verses, I promise it's pound for pound.
Blogs put a nigga business out. Knock him down, now switch him out. I got ops I don't know about. Stand on business, we don't talk about it.
And I been rolling with the chopper, send him to the doctor, probably rolling up a pound. Stuffing money in a locker, bitches looking proper, got it, about to get him now.
We do real numbers, real shelf, Benny Hunters. I take a nigga under. Watch 300, these the new Yeezys before they drop, yeah. Call them dunders. Jay say I got the thunder. Pray to God for the runners. Whole pandemic, all I seen was snow. It's like I missed the summer. Put it on my mama. Yo, got it, he a Hall of Fame drug dealer. Yo, got it, he be running around with real killers. Hush gang, he ain't fighting no fuck niggas. Big step, we'll stun on you little niggas. Niggas say they slime, nobody dying though. Oh, you networking the four, but what would they lying for? Yeah, go dollar for dollar, shotter for shotter. We can go 30 for 30. I'm scholarship guided. You gave a bitch a Birkin, I just gave her some knowledge.
I pull up, hop out, I be making deposits. I'm dropping knowledge, taking bitches to college. Got Mosman on me, really shout out the stylist. The whip is brand new, looking 0 to mileage. And all these levels, I be reaching the highest. A nigga overweight and still be the flyest. My mama want it, she gon' get it, I buy it. The only one that really fucking supply it. I blow a promise, make the city atomic. I snap on flex and then gon' roll up some chronic. You pussy homie, probably seen you at Onyx. And that's your bitch, she know I fucking be on it. I ain't fucking till I count up the dough. Dealer rapper, really turn CEO. In the cut, I'm about to pop it some more. Got it, call me, told him drop him the flow. She know I got it, she wanna come fuck with the city. She pull up and blow me down.
I'm knocking armor outside the field. Young nigga sick, young nigga ill. All of my niggas, you name it. Just bought into DC, you name it. I gave him the pack and he tanked it. 25 paints and he drank it. Just showed her my count and she fainted. Showed him the plug and he thanked me. Hey, got it, you low, you jank me. Little bitch just post me brainless. Rolls Royce stainless. Made my neighborhood famous. Ridge crest for tourists. Hey, why your jewelry blurry? All my jewelry flawless. All my niggas thoughtless. None of my niggas sanctified, but they be throwing crosses. All my forges all set. All my diamonds factory set. That my little savage, I stamped that. My bitch like the same sex, yeah. I see the same niggas doing the same shit every day. Different nigga, yeah, I had to go and make a way. Any day, it's another $1 million play. It's like 70 mil now, another 100 on the way.